SECUREMME.
Hello everyone, this is SECUREMME 3+3.
3+3. Корпус
The body is pressed in, the key is narrowed. Therefore, before working with the decoder, we cut off the case.
Корпус. Замок на 2 оборота.
The lock has 2 turns.
Фреза.
The milling cutter, move it to the left, to the right, cut off.
Можно в раскачку влево и вправо.
You can swing it to the left and to the right.
После чего ключ остается.
After these manipulations, the key remains working.
И теперь можно вставить.
Now you can insert the decoder.
В этих замках ключи симметричные.
These locks have symmetrical keys, so the first turn can be used to set the second one.
Цена на декодер.
The price of the decoder will be on the website. The link is under this video. Bye.